Hi guys, I'm back with a video regarding how I remove the Koko Claire gel polish. So here's what my mani looks like. I have some wear on my pinky. There's some lifting, and also on my middle finger there's some lifting as well. So if you watched my previous video where I did this mani, my rhinestones on my index finger popped off. I had one or two pop off on my thumb and one pop off of my ring finger. So here are the instructions that came when I ordered Koko Claire quite some time ago. It's saying, you can read the comments there. No, the mani doesn't come off, but I could tell on my middle finger that there was some lifting in my pinky. It was just a matter of time before it started chipping. But overall, I'm not mad at a 7-day wear with the gel polish at all. So I'm just taking my file and I am lightly buffing my nails. It looks like I'm doing it more rigorously, but I'm not. The video is sped up. Okay, so this I'm just using the bottom portion of my mani soak bowl that I use to soak off my dip powder. And I set a timer for 8 minutes, and I have some Dawn dish soap in there, and it's warm. It's not hot, it's warm. And I accidentally reset the timer, started it again after I was about a minute into the soak. So total, I was soaked off about maybe 8 to 9 minutes total. And so whenever you order Koko Claire, they gave me an instructions card. The front has application instructions, and it says on the card that results may vary. They can't guarantee the number of days that your mani will last, but I'm still not mad at a 7-day wear. Normal gel polish only lasts about a week and some change on my hands before it starts, on my nails before it starts to chip. Okay, so again, I've soaked for about 8 to 9 minutes. And we're going to, now this little cuticle remover tool, it came when I got the starter kit back in 2019. Now, I've used that before to remove this gel polish, but it wasn't working this time. So, in silly me, the instructions said get an orange wood stick. So, it didn't start coming off until I got an orange wood stick, and I was gently lifting that. Again, the video was sped up, so it looks like I'm doing it harder than what I actually am, and it lifts right up. And when I lift it, was removing the gel polish, it doesn't hurt. It looks like it removed layers of my nail, but I can tell it was layers of my nail versus like the adhesive in the peel off gel polish, because that buffed right off my nail. So I don't know. Now that I looked at my thumb, it looks like it's layers of my nail that may be coming off. I don't know. Again, I wouldn't do this on a regular basis with the gel polish, so I wasn't too worried about it, because again, I went in and did a dip powder application after this and just buffed my nails. So I'm just going through and gently removing this. My ring finger did give me a little difficulty coming off. The decal came off first, and then the gel polish was left, which cracked me up at the time. But so I'm just gently removing everything, guys. So what you can do, if you find that, you know, you're having a really difficult time removing the polish, you could soak that finger that's giving you a little bit of difficulty back in the warm soapy water for a few more minutes, and then it should just come right off. But I ended up getting it off with no problems. So after I got everything off, my nails did look a little, they felt a little bumpy, so it made me think it was part of the peel-off base. But anyway, I went in and buffed and did my normal nail prep and went in, you know, make sure you rehydrate your nails. But guys, that's how you remove it. Thanks for watching. See you next week.